Hello, dear everyone. I am Miss Aishwarya Manoj Deshmukh, and my topic of presentation for NanoMed 2021 is study of synthesis and characterization of TiO2 nanoparticles by ultrasonic method. You know, nanomaterials have the property between isolated atoms and bulk materials. Its shape and size is differentiated as 0D, 1D, 2D, 3D, etc. And also we know that its quantum size effect, as the size of the material getting changed nanoscale, its property also getting changed. My material is Ti. Its physical properties, symbol and chemical composition, thermal properties are as shown. In TiO2, the Ti is near about 60% and oxygen is near about 40%. For the preparation of TiO2 nanomaterials, I have taken ultrasonicator method. Firstly, I dissolve the titania pellet in TiO2 or titania pellet or TiO2 in 10 molar NaOH. Next step was stirring. I put the mixture for 2 hours for stirring. After that, the solution was kept in ultrasonicator chamber. In solution, ultrasonicator rod was immersed in a solution and apparatus was set for 3 hours. After that, the ready solution is put in a centrifuge machine. Then the solution was kept for 5 minutes in centrifuge machine, which remove water from the solution and we get the precipitate which was of white color. After that, I washed it once again and I dry it. For the drying, I put it in an oven for 24 hours. After that, I crushed it. As a result, I found very fine particles of nanomaterial of TiO2. For the characterization, I study its XRD. As a result, my nanomaterial size is found 20 to 26 nanometers. Next characterization, photocatalytic activity. When the light energy is radiated on the surface of TiO2, electrons are released. The released electrons bind up with the oxygen and it becomes a superoxidant anion. That's why surface of the TiO2 nanoparticles is positively charged. That takes electron from the moisture in the air. The moisture that lost the electron becomes hydroxy radical, and the superoxidant and hydroxy radical, by their power of oxidation, it decomposes organic compound such as unwanted bacteria, unwanted viruses, unwanted odor, some hazardous oil, gases, etc. Due to that, very important property of TiO2 nanoparticle, it has lots of applications, such as it is used as a covering agent. Though it is a water soluble and eco-friendly, it is not harmful to animal, man, plants, etc. That's why TiO2 nanoparticle can be used for the green revolution. And also it can be used in nursing centers, hospitals for the purification or protection it from the unwanted bacteria, viruses, germs, odor, etc. Also, I studied its pH metric. I found that my prepared nanomaterial can be used to decrease the acidity of the polluted water at very high range. That will be helpful for saving our aquatic life, life on earth, plants, and yes, for the nature. Thank you.